Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator door shelf. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new refrigerator door shelf. The refrigerator door shelf is mounted on the refrigerator door. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the right refrigerator door. There's two refrigerator door shelves on this door. They're both changed out the same way. All you have to do is lift up on it and pull it off the door. Here's the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Has a protective film on the clear plastic. So we're just going to carefully peel that off. Once you have it peeled off, we can put the new refrigerator door shelf into the door. To put the new refrigerator door shelf in, we just have to line it up where you want it to go, and then push it down into place. If it doesn't go down all the way, we have to push down on it to lock it in. Once you have it all the way on, we can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.